It is a word used for the growing interdependence of the world's economies and the culture and population. Basically, it is the exchange all over the world through cross-border trade, social media, and etc. The types of globalization. Economic globalization is the increasing influence of one economy on other. Political globalization is the influence of one country on another. Social and cultural globalization is the influence of one culture on another through social media. Now we come to the advantages of globalization. Access to new culture. Now the increasing influence of social media, we can access to new culture, their food, their music, their movies. Now the second one is the spread of technology and innovation. Now this is the biggest benefit of globalization. The technological advances made in United States of America can be easily made at work in Asia or in any country. The lower cost for product. Now globalization are giving way for companies to find a way of lower cost production. This will give rise to the competition, and this will give this will result in the low prices of products, high standard of living across the globe. Now the poverty rate has decreased, sorry, from 35% since 1990s. Why? Due to the higher living standard in countries across the globe. We can access to shopping malls, cinemas, fast food restaurant, and many more technologies through globalization and increasing foreign investment. Global market. Now we can access to foreign market, and foreign market can easily access Indian market. For example, like Bollywood movies like Bahubali, Dangal earned a huge amount of money in countries like China and Japan. Disadvantage. Now we are going to see some disadvantage of globalization. Unequal economic growth. The growing influence of powerful countries on underdeveloped countries are resulting in the unequal economic growth. Powerful countries are finding their way in underdeveloped countries to increase more low cost production. This will give rise to inequality between income. For example, brands like Google and Facebook, they are powerful brand, and India is depending on those brands. We are not looking to make our own powerful brand. We are looking for them in terms of employment. Rising capitalism. The culture of Western capitalism is increasing all over the world, which gives rise to powerful capitalism over government. Exploitation of labor market. Now we heard about the recent case in a factory in Bangalore. The workers of that factory went to a violent rampage because they are getting exploited. They were not getting paid properly. These powerful companies from Western countries come to third world countries like India, and they target these low cost labors because they know the labor price is really high in their country, and they sometimes exploit this labor market. Youth misguided or cultural identity crisis. In 1980s, a culture came in United States, drugs and rock and roll. What happened that in that time, they they popularized the drugs, taking drugs, consuming weeds. They made it a style statement, which is seriously injurious for health of human being. Now, in across the globe, many youth consider taking alcohol, weed, and drugs something very common, and they consider it as a style statement. Thank you. Here I conclude my presentation, and I want to add something that in globalization is good when it comes in terms of technological and economic development. But we should be careful that powerful Western countries do not exploit us. Thank you.
Very nice, Numan. What I liked is your slides are the number of slides are less, and you could explain it. It was very short and crisp. Very nice. Well done. Numan, you can stop share and come in the front and talk about 1 minute on your future goals.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Mohammad Aman Ashraf. I am in English Intermediate Level 1, and right now I am enrolled in BTech program in KK Modi University, and I am looking forward to develop my skills in computing world in programming languages in my upcoming 4 years for my graduation in KK Modi University. I am Mohammad Noman Ashraf and I enrolled in BTech program in KK Modi University. And if I have to describe my experience, it was great. I learned subjects like Introduction to Business, Mindful Leadership, Creative and Critical Thinking, English Intermediate Level 1. In business, I learned about marketing and business strategies. In creative thinking, we learned about different creative methods like brainstorming. In English Intermediate, we started with very basic English communication. My teachers, Lalita ma'am, Shivendra sir, Nirban sir, Alpana ma'am were great. They were there to address our doubt 24/7. And I am looking for same experience in my upcoming year in KK Modi University.